what we found was that a typical pancreatic cancer contains 65 genetic alterations. These are mistakes that occur only in the genes of pancreatic cancers, but don't occur in patients' normal cells. These alterations are what makes up a pancreatic cancer and what makes it behave so badly. The implications of these findings are that, in a sense, pancreatic cancer is manageable in an intellectual way. There aren't so many mutations that make it that would make it just impossible to understand. And in fact, all the mutations in the cancers, even though each patient differs somewhat, could be grouped into 12 core pathways. These core pathways, we believe, are responsible for both initiating the pancreatic cancers and making them progress. And understanding these core pathways has many implications for developing novel therapeutics or diagnostics in the future. Once you understand the cause, the mechanisms underlying a disease, it's only a matter of time before something can be done about that disease. And I think in the research community, we're very optimistic now that we have this fundamental understanding of the genome of pancreatic cancers. We understand the genes and something about the pathways that make them what they are, that sooner or later, with continued research, the tide will change. This is the first human cancer that has ever been analyzed in this detail, the first cancer in which every gene has actually been looked at, investigated in depth, providing a blueprint, a landscape for these cancers that's unprecedented. So this is really a first, and probably will be looked at as one of the major scientific accomplishments of the first decade of the 21st century.